Is Dogelon Mars a wise speculation? That is an inquiry that many individuals are posing to themselves as this new cryptographic money begins to acquire consideration. In this video, we've accumulated an examination of the Dogelon Mars cost forecast. We will likewise talk about the specialized highlights of this coin and tell you the best way to get it. How about we go? What is Dogelon Mars, Elon? Dogelon Mars is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the case of other fruitful canine coins like dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars plays on a few well-known subjects in the image coin space. Its name is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the tycoon business person who is a frank ally of Doge. It insinuates Mars, a twist on the well-known moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter an enormous vertical development. Past its joking name, Dogelon Mars has figured out how to construct a critical local area with in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees and in excess of 84,000 supporters on Telegram. Who are the founders of Dogelon Mars? Very much like is the situation for its more unmistakable and more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this specific canine coin are obscure. That is an all-around normal event for image coins, and financial backers are very much exhorted, because of a reasonable level of effort with semi-secret coins, to try not to succumb to noxious practices like floor covering polls and leave tricks. So, Elon has been available for quite a long time, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little. What makes Dogelon Mars unique? Dogelon Mars utilizes a hilarious comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his movements through the stars. Several short comics are distributed on the coin site that follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he meets companions and goes on experiences. Dogelon Mars doesn't have a guide as such, yet rather fostered a dream form through its comics. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon should battle for endurance against the Annihilators. This fantasized rendition recommends that once the coin is recorded on all significant trades, the cost of Elon will reach Mars, or, as such, it will exchange at a lot higher valuation. Be that as it may, Annihilators, by which the instability of the crypto markets could be implied, will be an issue the local area should battle against. Dogelon Mars Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Dogelon Mars costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Dogelon Mars will be $0.00000058. The most extreme level that the Elon cost can reach is $0.00000065. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.00000060. Elon price forecast for July 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value variances of Dogelon Mars in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Elon rate they foresee may be around $0.00000050 in May. It can drop to 0.00 in August. The Dogelon Mars cost might drop to at least $0.00000053. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.00000060 in August 2022. Elon price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down Dogelon Mars costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Elon rate could arrive at a limit of $0.00000062 in September 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0.00000056. For September, the estimated normal of Dogelon Mars is almost $0.00000058. December 2022. Dogelon Mars price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Dogelon Mars cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.00000060. Crypto experts expect that in October 2022, the Elon cost could change somewhere in the range of $0.00000058 and $0.00000065. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Dogelon Mars in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Dogelon Mars will be around $0.00000086. The most extreme expected Elon cost might be around $0.00000101. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.00000089 in 2023. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Dogelon Mars, in 2024, Elon is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $0.00000128 and $0.00000152, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.00000133. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Dogelon Mars and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Elon cost could drop to $0.00000188, while its greatest can reach $0.00000224. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0.00000195. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Dogelon Mars by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Elon costs are normal in 2026. $0.00000335 and $0.00000280. Overall, it will be exchanged at $0.00000288. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Dogelon Mars. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Elon cost will be around $0.00000435. It could drop to at least $0.00000424, however it actually could reach $0.00000494 all through 2027. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan gauges at the cost of Dogelon Mars. It is assessed that Elon will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0.00000634 and $0.00000742 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $0.00000651 during the year. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2029. Digital money experts are prepared to report their assessments of the Dogelon Mars cost. The year 2029